Greetings everybody, here we go. I have a pre-emissions truck for you today. This is an 06 Pete 379. It's a I believe it's a 260 wheelbase. And this one is running a Cat Acert engine. This one is radiant red fire. It's got 1.5 million miles on it. We just went through and did a bunch of stuff on here. Just to give you a little bit of a history on the engine. I'll get under the hood here. This one was born a 475 horse. It is an Acert engine. Had a rebuild around 860,000 miles. We do have some maintenance records on it. Just got a new compressor, and we just went through and did a bunch of stuff to it. Fresh DOT, clutch adjust. I drove it over here to a quiet area where I could video, and drove pretty good. I liked it. The clutch felt good. Everything. So it does need a little bit of paint on top of the hood and on top of the roof cap and sleeper. I'm going to do an ECM download on this and get an idea of what the actual horsepower is, and just double check the mileage to make sure it's true mileage. 23 diameter tanks. That one's got a little bit of a bend in it. This one is running a flex air suspension. It's a 38,000 pound suspension. Super singles on this one. You can switch them over if you wish. Holland fifth wheel with a 24 slide. This one is set at a -4, which means it can go 4 inches behind center line. So when I talk about this, it's center line between the axles, 4 inches back is its rearmost position. Okay, some guys ask me about that. Fresh DOT. It runs good. You can see here what it looks like to me, and it on top of the hood. It looks like some sort of chemical or something got dropped on there and created some splatters. As you can see kind of how it might have come off, and maybe at a batch plant or something. This truck is really light. It's I believe it's under 17,000 pounds. When I was looking at no, it's just over 17. I'm sorry. It's like 17.2 on build sheet. 336 rears. Driver's seat's in good condition. This is a Premier interior as it was born. Engine's already warm. Fires right up. It was about 25 degrees here in southern Colorado this morning, and it started right up. Snap test was good on this truck. It blew clear. Steering felt good, clutch felt good. This would be a nice little project truck for somebody or a first owner. Well, there you guys have it. This is my 06 Pete 379. This is JW. If you have any questions, give me a call, 970-518-5520. If you like these videos, click on the button in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe. We'd love to have you, and we'll talk soon. Stay safe, everybody.